The Raman effect is a phenomena that occurs when light interacts with molecules of a material. This discovery won him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Let's test this theory with a small experiment. Over here I have two beakers, one with plain water and one with calcium carbonate solution. When I pass a light beam through the plain water, we can observe that there's no scattering in the solution. However, when I pass the same beam through the calcium carbonate solution, we can observe that there is actually scattering inside the solution. This occurs due to the calcium carbonate particles suspended in the solution, which scatter the light. This discovery has led to many more discoveries in the fields of chemistry, biology, medicine, etc.
Do you guys know why the sky is blue? We see it every day and we still do not know the reason behind this. C.V. Raman, a scientist you may well know of, achieved a Nobel Prize for discovering the fascinating science behind this everyday phenomenon. He discovered that when light from the sun collides with the molecules of the air, the light scatters. The scattering is maximum when the wavelength of the light is minimum, such as that of blue light. His discovery helped change the way that we view color, light and the natural world.
Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, born today on November 7, 1888 in the small town of Tiruchirappalli, India, displayed an unquenchable curiosity for science from a young age. Despite his humble beginnings, Raman excelled academically, earning a degree in physics from the Presidency College in Chennai. He later joined the Indian Civil Services but soon shifted to a career in academia and research driven by his passion of science.
Previously in forensic sciences, we had something called as the infrared spectroscope, but it had a few downsides. Firstly, the IR spectroscope could only be used for a very short duration because any prolonged exposure to this radiation would cause permanent damage to the sample, which would make further testing on it impossible. Secondly, the IR spectroscope reacted heavily with water molecules. It gave undue peaks and gave misreadings. Raman spectroscopy did not react such way with water molecules, so it is much more accurate. It's seen to have absolutely no effect on tissues and thus is used heavily in diagnostic studies as well. So, it is used for histopathological studies of precancerous and malignant tissues and also for detection of neurodegenerative diseases.
Sir C.V. Raman is celebrated for his groundbreaking contributions to physics, making him the first Indian scientist and first non-white person to receive this honor. His accolades include the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India, the Lenin Peace Prize and so on.
To this day, students continue to be inspired and influenced by his work as they explore the different realms of physics and science.